magnificent.
Y'all, it's your girl Devine, and I'm back with another video. But if you guys are new to this channel, what's up? It's your girl Devine. Don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. Let's jump right into this unboxing. So today's video is going to be featuring Bump Box. If you guys may or may not know, Big Mama is expecting baby number 3. So I am super excited about that. We're all super excited about that. But I already knew, once I found out that there was pregnancy boxes, I always said that if I was to get pregnant again, I would get me a pregnancy box. So my first trimester had me very nauseous, tired, sick, and I could not do anything. So I actually have 2 bump boxes to unbox for you guys. My second box was shipped like this. Shipping label is on the back and it came like this. But my first box actually came in an actual box. I just went and opened the box off camera so I don't have to deal with that. There are different companies that sell pregnancy boxes, but I was more interested in getting Bump Box. Now, a lot of people have their own opinion about Bump Box, but so far I actually like it. So in my first box, since I was a first customer, I did get a free gift. And it came with this Mama 20-ounce tumbler bottle cup, and it looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and take it out the box for you guys. And this is the cup. It says Mama on it. She is pretty. So with this particular cup, you don't slide it back. You just twist this, and you could drink from it. It did come with a straw. So that is amazing. My first trimester, I was not able to drink through a straw because it put gas in my stomach. But in my next video, I will be telling you guys what I experienced all throughout my first trimester. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys won't miss that. I actually can't wait to use this cup. And that's the inside. I do hope my stuff... Ooh, that's kind of noisy. I do hope when I use this cup, my drink can actually stay cold or hot. So that's that. I did get a receipt. It don't say how much the bump box was, but my first box was a fraction of the price. I don't remember how much a month I paid for these boxes because it just comes out of my banking account. Okay, so this is my first box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And it says, when you're expecting, we deliver. And this is how the box looks. It just says bumpbox.com. I will leave all the information down below in the description box if you mommies are pregnant or if you want to gift a bump box to somebody. So when I open up the box, this is how it looks. This is not a collaboration or a sponsorship. I did purchase these boxes with my own money. But Bump Box, if you want to collab, my information is down below in the description box. So upon looking, I do have a free bacon for life. This is like a coupon. I'm going to cover up the information. I don't eat bacon, so I probably won't be using this, or I'll probably give it away to somebody. I do got something from Factory. It says eat smarter with our healthiest menu yet, and I get $140 off, and it do says plus free breakfast for a year. So I'm gonna go ahead and look into it. Normally when it's a big amount off like that, that means it is very expensive. They do have an offer for a breast pump through the insurance. That's this right here. It's called a Meta, and it looks like this. It got all the information on the front and the back of the card. I don't think I'm going to use this information on this card because I did get my breast pump through Aeroflow. So whenever I get that breast pump, I will be doing a video for you guys and letting you guys know all the details in the process of how I got my breast pump. And that was pretty much all the offers that came in that box. And it's just is just a stock card, and it just says congratulations mama, and a little note, and pretty much everything on the back is what's in the box. The first item that I see is this, and this is from Promise. This is a face wash. It says it cleanse and nourish, and it is a hydration face wash. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, this bottle is very pretty. And it looks like that. Let me see how it smells. It have a little scent to it. If you guys may or may not know, I have very sensitive skin. So I wonder how this will work on my face. So I'm excited to try that. The next one is from Glow. And it says Refresh Plus Beauty Eco-Friendly Facial Brush. And the box look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Oh, it's a cleaning brush. This is so pretty. Y'all, I'm going to be using this on my next face video. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, it's two sides. That's dope. One thing about pregnancy, that pregnancy acne be no joke to some mamas. I'm just glad I really don't got that. Y'all, you do get full-size items. I tell you that much. These two items are from Glow Organics. This is the Pure and Organic Belly Oil. And it says Organic Tamanu plus Coconut Oil. And this is a 3.2 fluid ounce bottle. And it looks like this. The scent is decent. It's not too strong or overpowering. So I can't wait to try this belly oil. The next item is like a travel pouch, and it says Mama on it. This is so cute. So when I do travel, I could go ahead and put like my little toiletries, my face wash in it. So I like that. My next item is some baby booties. Now this is from Annis and LJ. I hope I'm saying that right. And they look like this. Now they did ask me if I was having a boy or a girl. I did just put neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and show you guys. Look at them. They're so pretty and cute. So I did do my nip screening, so I do know baby's gender. But I hear a lot of mixed reviews about the nip scan. So I'm just pretty much waiting until my ultrasound to confirm it. But I did tell some of my family members, so they are excited. But I'm not getting too excited until I know for sure what baby's gender is. And that is pretty much all the items that came in the box. So altogether, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items. The Bump Mama pouch retails for $15. The Glow Organics facial brush retails for $15.99. The face wash retails for $24. The belly oil retails for $38.99. And the baby sneakers retail for $16. And it says my welcome box came up to a total of $110.96. So now we're going to open up the second month's box. And upon opening the box, this is how the stuff looks. So it seems like I got more coupons. Same as the last box, it tells me about the breast pump. This is Hello Fresh. I get 14 free meals. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using that. And in this box, we have 5 5 full-size items in this box. So the first item that I see in this box is some Luxe Protection Bamboo Compression Socks. And it looks like this. Now, these compression socks retails for $24. And the name of the company is called Snuggle Shield. Ooh, they're very soft. I am going to walk with them in my hospital bag, and I will be doing a video on what's in my hospital bag. Y'all, I'm super excited to be doing all these pregnancy videos. I'm so excited because I haven't had the chance to do it with my first and my second babies. So I'm excited to be doing it this time around. The next item I see is the Canoe Mothers Belly Oil. And this came in a 4.2 ounce bottle. And it looks like this. So we got another belly oil. You can't go wrong with too much belly oil. You got to keep that belly moisturized so you do not get stretch marks. Now, this belly oil do retail for $38. The next item I see is some tummy tape. And this is by a brand called Spider Tech. And this retails for $6.99. Ooh, what's this? Oh, more items from Glow Organics. And this is the Relax and Natural Bath Soak. And this is 5 ounces. It does says it's infused with organic lavender, bergamot, I think I'm saying that wrong, and frankincense with essential oils. And it looks like this. And this retails for $5.99. I love taking baths and soaking in a bath soap. I gotta hide this from Tazz because I know him. He gonna think he gonna use it. Not happening, baby. Last but not least, I do have a picture frame. And it's a sonogram frame, and it looks like this. I actually had one. I bought one from Target, and I did have Nizer sonogram pictures in it. And this is from a company called Pearhead Love at First Sight Sono Frame, and this retails for $12.99. So, once again, I did get full-size items. I'm super excited to see what my third box is going to be. My boxes are not going according to the months of my pregnancy because I did order my boxes extremely late. So, I am not 2 months pregnant. Don't want you guys thinking that I'm already in my second trimester already. So y'all, that is going to be it for my unboxing of my bump box. I am super excited to be trying out my products. I am going to come back on camera and let you guys know what I think about the face wash, the facial brush, the body oil, and the Epsom salt. So I can't wait to review that for you guys. I am going to be showing you guys a belly bump. So this is what the belly bump is looking like. My chicken nuggets. This is my belly bump. We are super excited. We cannot wait for baby to come.